So yeah, I got this DJI MIC2 and I got the adapter that's going back. I could go to Staples or to the drop-off box. I'm gonna go get some exercise and ride back to DJI and return it in hand. Wouldn't that make for a good story? Hey, I'm Fish. Let's get the show going. DJI Returns is one way on shipping. You pay and they pay for the returns. Did you know that? In I go. I'm all done. Let's get on out of here. Open, let's go. Get on going. I wanted to shoot in 4K 30, but in HEVC to see what my factory reset machine can do. I know if I keep it in the H264 container, I'll do mighty well, and it will do its job like that. In this heat wave we're having, nah, I'd rather let UPS drop it off than me biking all the way down where it needs to get to. Well, I am Fish. Don't forget to rate, comment, show some love! Have a good one.